Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install and use CMake on Linux. So at the beginning we have to go of course into terminal, so I will open it, and right now we have to install CMake. Installing CMake is very easy. You have to just type in one command. On sudo and on Ubuntu and Debian it is sudo apt install and CMake, like this. If you have different distribution than Ubuntu and Debian, you have to check it on your own, but the ending will be the same, but this part could be different. On Fedora is, for example, sudo dnf install, and on different distribution it can be different, so you need to just remember that you have to add CMake at the end. And I will press enter, I will type in my password, and now we have to wait. Do we want to continue? We have to type in Y, that stands for yes. And now we have to wait. As you can see, it worked. And now we can test if our CMake is installed correctly. So CMake version, and I will, as you can see, I have CMake 3.28.3 right there. So everything is working. And now maybe I will show you how to create a simple project. So we'll create a folder. So of course mkdir, for example CMake -demo. We'll go into it. So like this, and inside this folder I will create a file. So for example nano main.cpp. It is a C++ file, so we will type a simple code in C++. So we have to start with include iostream, and we will create a function. So int main, we have to open braces, and right now we didn't use using namespace std, so we have to start it like this, and hello CMake, for example. We can close that, and we will add endline at the end like this, and we'll close that, and it should work. We can save that by pressing Ctrl O, Enter, and Ctrl X on the keyboard. And right now we have to create a CMakeList.txt file. It is required to make it work. So nano CMakeList.txt, and inside the file we have to type something like this. So CMake minimum required, and version inside the braces 3.10, next project, hello CMake, for example, and right now add underscore executable like this, and hello, and the name of our file, so main.cpp. I will close that, close the braces. I will save that by pressing Ctrl O, Enter, Ctrl X, and it should work, I hope. If I didn't make any mistake, it will work. So I will create the file folder build. It is recommended way to do it. So mkdir build, we will go into it, and inside the file we will configure. We have to type something like this. So CMake and 2 dots. As you can see, it worked, and now we have to compile the project using the normal make. So make, as you can see, it worked, and now we can start it by like a script basically. So /, and the name that we used in this file, it was hello. As you can see, hello CMake is working. So this is how you can use and install CMake on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.